Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madison Olivia, and today we are going to do a little move-in video. Just going to show you some clips of my move-in process and how it progressed. Definitely not done moving in quite yet. There's definitely some things that we gotta get done, mainly in my room. But I would love to show you around and show you what we have done so far. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. It really helps my channel. I hope you have a good day, guys, and enjoy this video. Bye. We have officially moved in. Welcome to our home. It is mad chaos, but I'm taking you guys along for the journey, and just thought I would show you. We just started unboxing and just putting stuff everywhere, to be honest. So clearly it's a mess. This is my room. I do have all my clothes hung in my closet, which is great, but I'm gonna need like some type of situation, a shelf to put behind this door for all my sweaters and everything that is not hanging clothes. All these bins have clothes in them. I made my bed. That's about as good as my room's gotten. Everything else is trashed. All my furniture I'm getting in a week or two, where I haven't not had a chance to pick it up yet. So, whoops. This is my room, and this is my bathroom. Oh gosh, it's just bad. Those are all the boxes we just opened, so that's really great. We've only been going for 2.5 hours, and this is stuff we're bringing to the garage. Beautiful glassware we need to open. Here's a quick view of the kitchen. I'll give you a before shot of our pantry. We're gonna do a complete pantry reorganization. Baking cabinets, cups. We have a lot more cups to put in there. We're just trying to figure out where everything should go. We just did our utensil drawer. We just did the tea drawer. It's honestly mad chaos. I like that I can see the counter over here. It's nice. Haven't seen the counter in a while. We have stuff everywhere right now. We're just making them. We're gonna be moving some stuff around because this metal table is gonna be going there. This should be going there. That will be going over there. I don't know where this is going. I don't even know where the shelves are for it. Well, we'll figure it out. Got decor, but it's coming together. It just looks a little insane. Our patio is looking pretty cute. It's messy, but she's cute. That needs to go in storage as well, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Actually, let me leave that open. It's nice outside. And then their room looks awesome, so woo. At least one room isn't complete chaos, so yeah. This is what we're working with. I will give you guys another update in a while. Just wanted to show where we're at. Trash everywhere. All right, so things are still hectic. Not much has changed, but I thought I'd give you guys an update. You can walk into my bathroom now. Woo! I mean, I think it got worse up here, but that's okay. My room is 110% way worse than it was. Yeah, I don't even know how I'm gonna get this tidied. It's not gonna happen all today, but we are going to try. It's probably been about an hour or so since the last footage was recorded. There's so much trash, empty boxes, Goodwill, extra junk. But look, we almost cleared off the island, so that's a mood. We have a coffee station starting to form, so that's a mood. We're getting places with, she's working on the pantry right now. We've got a lot to work on here. Got our baking stuff. Might need to use some baskets. Got a lot of those. Found my fiddle leaf. It's getting there. I mean, the decor table is just off the freaking charts. I don't know what we're gonna do with all that. But yeah, it's coming together. We got our game box, puzzles, cards. It's a beautiful night. Oh wow, that water does look gorgeous. Okay. So yeah, it's coming together. Slowly but surely. Very excited. I can't wait to start moving furniture, putting rugs down, all the things, so. We really need to bring these boxes to the garage, but it's gonna happen when it happens. Probably not tonight. More decor on the floor. You know how it goes. All right. But look at those spices. That's satisfying. We'll take that. All right. Oh, and this glass cabinet, we did it up here already. Oh wow, it's gorgeous. Do you think we have enough cups? I don't know. Maybe not. We'll have to question that at a later date. Oh, that's looking beautiful. We've got this excess stuff up there. We're really making some progress here. What's up here? I can't remember. Oh yeah, oils and all kinds of cooking things. Between me and her, we have so many vinegars and oils, it's insane. Coffee mugs, cups, extra stuff. We're getting there. It's definitely a start. But yeah, just thought I would check in. All right, update. Still a mess, but I have a rug. My shower curtain's up. This room is absolutely chaotic, but I'm okay with it. It's fine, we'll get there. Rugs everywhere, but this is where the real magic is happening. We have styled a front area. Still working. I know the mess was gone here, now it's back, because we are about to decorate this table. Moved that from over here to there. Bar cart was moved over. And here's the living room. Still looking for the shelves for that, but it's fine. We're getting there and I'm way too happy about it. All right, we'll come back and show you more later. Good morning. Welcome to day 2 of moving into this apartment. I just woke up. You can tell that. I don't know why my face looks so puffy, but I clearly overdid it yesterday. But I'm gonna go to the store here in a little bit. I think I'm about to shower and get myself together. When I get back from the store, I'll give you guys an overview of where we're at in the house. I'm gonna try to get my bathroom cleaned up today because I can't without messing my bathroom is. So that's the goal. We'll see what we get done. I have to work at 1, so I need to leave here like 12:20. Realistically, there will be a lot to do tonight. We'll figure it out. Hey, good morning everybody. I just got back from the grocery store and I thought I'd show you a little bit of the real life of what my house looks like. What I got from the store to start me off. I can't live without a couple basics. Last night I didn't have very many things to eat. I was eating granola for dinner. Like, went to the store, we're good now, but bed's not made. It'll be okay. But let me show you where we ended last night. So I clearly haven't done my room yet. We'll get there. The bathroom is still a state. This is honestly my goal before I go to work. I work at 2 today. Hopefully I can get all that organized in the cabinet underneath. It's a little bit dark in here right now, but the kitchen actually looks like a kitchen for the most part. A little tidying to do. Projects everywhere. We actually decorated the table. It's just feels good. Feels good. A lot of stuff to hang on the walls today. We'll do that later, and then groceries. I just thought I'd do a quick grocery haul of my very first pickup for the new apartment. This is just everything I kind of thought I'd need to get me going for the first couple days. 5 packs of frozen vegetables, butter. You know, can't resist a good crescent roll. Found honey butter and that sounded delicious. Cottage cheese, some syrup because I picked up Kodiak cakes because I love them. And I really just got easy things because I'm not really trying to cook this week. I'm trying to organize. I went back to my guilty pleasure. Sorry, Chobani, but I needed to take a break. Pumpkin pie sounded too good. Almond milk, stuff for smoothies. I'm still gonna try to make smoothies. Plastic bags. Some like cheat meals, things I could just make easily without thinking. Ground beef, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Maybe make something easy. Chickens, sandwiches, cheese, and eggs, stuff for laundry, and paper products. So nothing too crazy, just like the basic things you need in a house. So This should keep me fine for a few days at least. So I'm gonna go put all this away now and start working on my bathroom. I'll give you guys a little update in a bit. So I ended up putting all the dishes away. I made some toast and eggs, and then I did my first round of dishes. The new place, wiped down the counters, it felt so good. And I managed to clean out my bathroom, and it's mildly functioning now, so that's awesome. Let me show you. It's not perfect, but I can use my counters now. I tidied up under here. Again, not perfect. I definitely need more containers. We'll get there, but she's functionable now. If only my room looked okay. We will get there. But, wow. All right, cheers to the first family meal. It is barbecue night. There's burgers.
What's your channel? I'm gonna subscribe.
Welcome to Madison Olivia. Welcome to my name. We've got burgers. Huge burgers.
Smash burger.
Look at that massive burger. Wow, drinking the bourbon.
I know, I'm gonna smash.
Beautiful. We still need to hang things. We're getting there. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay. Bon appetit. All right, so it's been a few days since we moved in, about a week, and I wanted to give you guys an update. Our house is definitely lived in right now. We made some food last night, and it's definitely still out, but that is okay. Got the table, the living room, the bar, little front entryway table, and then I wish my room had more progress. Rug mats. All of those are rug mats. But here's my bathroom. It's finally decently organized. Cat litter. I actually did try to organize these cabinets a little bit. Definitely need more work. I didn't like categorize them or anything. But that's okay. And then this closet needs a lot of work as well, but I'm waiting on furniture for all the clothes right there. So right now it's just kind of all smushed in there. But here's my room progress. Again, I didn't stage anything. I kind of just left it in a lived-in state. This is my room, and I again cannot wait to get my dresser and my nightstand. Yeah, this room is going to be very crowded after I put all that furniture in there. But I mean, I really only use my room to get ready and to sleep and to work on my videos. So I think it will be perfect for what I need it for. And I mean, my closet's decently organized. Still more clothes that need to be put on a shelf. I'm going to be putting a tall shelf right here, which will help with organizing all my clothes that are still in those bins. But my clothes are up there. I've tidied up the top a bit and feeling pretty good. Oh, I did my shoe closet. I realized I have a lot of shoes that they don't all fit in this closet, and I had to actually put a lot of them under the bed. So that was interesting to find out about. I didn't really ever count them before. Not sure if I want to tell you guys how many. How about you try to guess in the comments how many pairs of shoes I have. Anyway, that is where I'm at in the house. Definitely got work to do. Cannot wait to show you guys an update video of that all put together. It's going to be very exciting. All right, that was my moving in vlog. That was like kind of the sequential order of how things went down. I hope you enjoyed watching. There's definitely more to come. Got to get my room together. We're gonna get there. You guys are probably cringing. Trying to just be real, show you the real life messes before I get it perfect, because there's nothing perfect about my apartment right now. But you know what? Life isn't perfect, and I'm okay with it, and it will be a lot better in a couple days. So I'm going to show you guys the furniture that I'm getting, and I'm just really excited. So I hope everyone had a great day, enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.